Another thing we should do is fMax and fmin. So I might choose one of these functions that we used, worked out. Might just choose that one because I think there's supposed to be some max and min stuff that we're supposed to do there. So let's have a look. Go back to this quadratic, and do we need... Yeah, so we were doing this one. Let's see if there's any fmax, fmin stuff that we're going to do. Sketch the graph, we did that. State the maximum height. Okay, so this was the tunnel equation. So let's, or this one rather. So let's just copy that. Paste it down here. And just enter. So this now overrides everything that we've done before. Sketch the graph. So there's the tunnel. Might look a bit better if we could zoom box just on that area. There we go. There's our tunnel. We want to find the maximum. So there's two ways to do this. It depends on whether you want exact values or not. Let's say we do want exact values. If you want exact values, no. So this one says, this one says state the maximum height. It doesn't say anything about decimals, so it is. Whereas something like, I think the end of the task says label coordinates to the nearest centimetre, so that's to 2 decimal places. So you could use a different technique. But this one is just state the maximum height, but it's in exact values. So what we'll do is highlight the f of x, interactive, calculation, fmax. You got to be careful because it's between which two values, and I've forgotten. So I've got to go back to the graph. It's somewhere between here and here. I can set 24, so I'll do it between 0 and 24. 0, 24. And so that's the maximum value, meaning it gets up to 15 over 2. And the x value is 25 over 2. Okay. You have to do it as coordinates.
It's just
maybe.
Point, isn't it?
Yep, so it's 25 over 2, comma, 15 over 2. But you would get 0 marks for that if this was the question, because it says state the maximum height. So that's not a coordinate. The answer is 15 over 2.
Okay, sure.
On your graph, you can do that too, just by going analysis. You've got to tap into the graph area, analysis, gsolve, max, and it gives it to you. What's the maximum? 7.5, which is 15 over 2.
Would that be more right than the other one?
It's exactly the same.
Okay, sure.
Except this one is going to be an exact value. This one is going to be approximate decimal places. Yeah. So fmax or fmin, that's how you would do that.